Google DeepMind's chief posts 4 diamond emojis, nothing else. Logan Kilpatrick writes one word, Gemma. Within minutes, the AI community is pulling at every thread it can find because the timing of those 2 posts on the same afternoon is not the kind of thing people in this industry tend to ignore. And what they found out next, nobody saw coming. Last week, a model showed up on LMSYS Chatbot Arena. No announcement, no documentation, nothing from Google. Just a name in the drop-down menu. Significant Otter. Developers started running it through its paces. Fast responses, stable outputs, benchmarks handled without any fuss. And then someone asked it directly who it was. Back came the answer. I am Gemma 4, a large language model developed by Google DeepMind. Nobody at Google had said a word. Demis Hassabis had recently been talking about a new Gemma model built to run locally on a developer's own hardware. No external servers, no API dependency, just the model running on the machine in front of you. Gemma 3 already showed that was a workable approach. Lightweight, multilingual, multimodal, good with long context. What turned up on LMSYS last week looks like where that goes next. Early testing points to multiple variants which are coming. Smaller builds for local deployment, larger ones for heavier work. The idea running through all of it is the same. Powerful enough to be useful, light enough to run without expensive infrastructure underneath of it. What developers picked up on most was the speed. This is not a model built to wrestle with complex reasoning problems, no. It is actually built to respond quickly and reliably in environments where a slow answer is as good as no answer. So for anyone building a product on top of a model or trying to reduce what they spend on external APIs every month, that is worth paying attention to. Gemma has always done well because, well, it is useful rather than impressive. Developers reach for tools they can control and deploy without a complicated cost structure behind them. If Gemma 4 delivers on what the early test suggests, it will get picked up quickly across the developer community. Google has still not made an official announcement. The model is already being tested and the community has already validated it. That sequence of events tends to get followed fairly quickly by a release date. And if you're all set, here is the front page take. Gemma 4 has not been announced. It has already been found, tested, and it told everyone exactly what it was, entirely of its own accord. So when Google does put up the official post, the developer community will already be 3 steps ahead of it. Please do let us know about this wonderful little development in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.